Hello friends, welcome to Fource tutorials. Myself Harish, this is part 12 of SQL tutorials. In this video, we'll learn SQL Server functions. So there are different types of SQL Server functions which are offered by SQL Server. That are aggregate functions, string functions, datetime functions. In this video, we'll look into aggregate functions. So there are different types of aggregate functions. Some of them are sum, mean, max, average, power, absolute. Sum, as the name suggests, it calculates the sum of set of values. It adds all the values and returns the addition of the same. Minimum, as the name suggests, it returns the minimum of the value. Maximum, it returns the maximum from the set of the values. Average, it does the average of the set of values and returns the average. Power, returns the value of a number raised to a power of another number. For example, if you specified power 2, 3, so it means power 2 raised to power of 3. Absolute, it returns the absolute of a number. In simple term, it converts the value from negative to positive. Now we'll check all these functions, aggregate functions, practically. We'll navigate to SQL Management Studio. We'll use our table which we created in our previous examples, that is employee table. Select star from employee. So if you want to find the minimum salary from the employee table, which is the minimum salary, we'll write select mean. We'll use the minimum function, minimum aggregate function, mean. What we want to find? Minimum of salary. The minimum salary from employee. When we run this query, we'll get the minimum salary of an employee. The minimum salary is 30,000. In the same way, if you want to find the maximum salary, we'll write select max of salary from employee. It will return the maximum salary. If you want to find what is an average salary of an employee, select average AVJ salary from employee. So this is an average salary of an employee. So if you want to find the sum of salaries of all the employee, so for that we'll use the sum function. Select sum of salary from employee. If we run this query, it will return the sum of, it will add all these salaries and it will return the sum. So the total sum is 16500. These are some of the aggregate functions. We'll check what is average, what is absolute, and power function. Select power. If I specify 2 raised to power 3, so it means it will return 2's cube. Like it is 2 raised to power 3. So when you run this query, it will return the value as 8. So it simply means 2 into 2 into 2. It will multiply 2 3 times. So if you want 2 raised to power 4, you just need to specify the power here 4 and to run the function. So it will return 2 raised to power 4. If you want to find the absolute of a number, just specify absolute bracket. So absolute just converts the value from negative to positive. So when I run this query, it will convert this number from negative to positive. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.